In this session, I'm going to show you how to configure your email address with Zoho CRM, just so you understand every employee in the company is supposed to do it. It's not something that only the system admin is supposed to do it or us as a Zoho partner. Every person in your organization is supposed to do it, because if you want, let's say, us to do it, we will need to have access to the employee email address and the employee Zoho account. So most companies will not be cool with it, and therefore this video needs to be shared with any employee in the company, and they're supposed to do it. And if they will not do it, you will have your emails goes to spam. It's not worth it. It takes a minute. Let me show you how to do it. You will need to go to the settings on the right top. You will need to click on email under channels. You will need to click again on email beside compose. And in some cases you will see my screen, which means it will say get started. In some cases it will say server disconnected. Some cases it will say error. If it's not beautiful and you see that it's integrated, like I will show you in a second, then you need to redo the integration. It's very simple. I will click on get started, and then I will have here multiple options. We will have Gmail as an example, but all of them are exactly the same. I will click on Gmail in my case. The setting that you want to have is IMAP. IMAP will basically have like links to your mail system, and it will not download the emails to your CRM, which that's what you want, because if it will download the emails to CRM, you will have a system with hundreds of gigabytes, and then you will pay extra fee for your storage. So don't do it. Stay with IMAP. This is what you want. If you are going with POP, you will go with POP. If IMAP, but we will go right now with IMAP, and this is the common and the suggested configuration. I will click on continue, and now there is a pop-up. Right now I am logged into my Google account and the system identified it, so I can just click here and authenticate. If you are not logged into to Google or Outlook or any other system, it will ask you for the username and password. Provide it and you're good to go. So I will click here. The system is asking for permission, so that you have any choice. Fine, let's allow. And now the integration is done. It's very simple. One more thing that I recommend you to do is, if you're onboarding employees, have that as part of your onboarding process. What I can also recommend you is once a month, go over the configuration. Sometimes the password will change, sometimes something will happen and the integration will break and the emails will go to spam. You know, every company is fighting for another 10% conversion, 5% conversion. How can we make more money? While they're missing that, their emails go to spam. It's 70% conversion is lost. Okay, so those are the small things that makes lots of money. Once you're integrated, you will have a few options for the sharing. Private means that only I can see my own emails. So let me show you what it means. So if I will go to one of the records, as an example, let's say a leads, and I will go to this person, on the left side I will have my emails. If it will be private, only I can see my emails on the left side. I always recommend that management will have it private and employees will have it public, always. And therefore, if you have multiple employees working on one lead or one account, everybody can see the communication. It's vital to the organization, and that's also the magic of this system. Management, not great, because management usually will have different type of conversations that you don't want your employees to be part of it. So let's say that I am one of the salespeople. I will just have public and I will update the system. That's all you need to do. The system is set. If you're going to check it once a month, you will click on the settings, you will go to the email, you will click on email beside the compose. This is what you're supposed to see. No errors, nothing it says server disconnected or anything like that. It looks good, and this is what you like to see. Please use this video. Please, I beg you, not for my views, it's for your company's conversions. Okay, I have probably this video was created about 100,000 times and people still don't do it. So I hope this time you will do it. Thank you.